There's ACS 64, number 604, which pulled my train, the Amtrak Vermonter 57, from New Haven, all the way, which is pulling it from New Haven to Washington. And this is a new elevator at the West End Concourse. At the Penn Station, this will soon be the new Monyihan Station in Midtown Manhattan, New York City. Go up. We are at the West End Concourse. See the new concourse. Back down to the platform. Here at the platform level. Here with the ACS 64 in view. Back up to the West End Concourse. It's a very nice transit system elevator. You're back up at the new West End Concourse. Back down to the platform level. Platform level. We're going to end it at the concourse level, just so I can show you the new concourse what is to be part of the new Monyihan Station. GAL door equipment up there. There goes in. So you can hear an M7 pulling in. Here's your departure board. Man, this concourse looks beautiful. See the blue sky display? That is nice. Kind of see the display highlighting the blue skies. There are no Long Island Railroad trains currently departing at this track, but there is an Amtrak train. That train right there is the Vermonter. The propulsion system